My name's Ethan Wilson. I'm with Winters Recreation, and today I'm going to be going over the 2025 Evolution D-Max GT4. Well, first off, just go ahead and take a look at this cart. There's a lot of things to admire about this cart, but we're going to dive into it just a little bit deeper to kind of show you all the features that this thing has. So come on up here. We're going to just start it off with the adjustable steering wheel. This thing just moves down like this, and then you can actually change it from up or down just like that. Couple more features on this thing. Obviously, you're going to have your blinkers. You can actually adjust your lights on here as well. You can actually change the volume on how loud or how quiet you want it, or you can skip the songs, and then you have phone call options on that side. When you get into the speakers of this thing, there's over 24 speakers on this golf cart. You're talking about a party bus? I got you one right here at Winters Recreation. It doesn't get any bigger than this. Let's go to the screen. You're going to be able to have a radio. You can change, you can go to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connected, so you'll be able to have your maps on here, your music on here, all the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto compatible apps right on the screen. It doesn't end there. They actually have wireless phone chargers, so you can set your phone right on here and it'll actually start to charge your phone. I've never seen anything like that on a golf cart my whole life. It's crazy. This also has a refrigerator in it. You heard me correctly. It is a refrigerator. You click this little button, it'll turn blue. Now this is gonna activate it in here. Give it 5-10 minutes and you're gonna be able to have your drinks cold for hours in this thing. It actually is crazy. I've never seen anything like it. High and low speed. So you can go from 25 miles an hour or like that 10 to 15 range. You can just adjust that on the fly, however you wanna go. And then the standard drive, neutral, reverse. You'll also have your backup camera when you are in reverse. You're gonna have some locking glove boxes here, some USB ports here, and then obviously you're gonna have the speakers on the actual body of the cart as well. I mean, just from the looks of it, you could tell this is pretty crazy. Let's change the colors because we're getting bored of the green. Here we go, look at that blue, look at that yellow, look, it's just crazy, I can't believe it. You think that's it? We'll go to the back a little bit. This is where it gets a little intense, I'm not gonna lie. You can actually have a 4-bag golf bag attachment on this cart. You're gonna see these little screws here. Ask us when you get one, hey, how do I get that 4-bag golf bag attachment? We'll make sure you get it set up. Long story short, we're just gonna pull this out. This whole, the cooler will actually come right off, and then that's where you're gonna get your 4 bags. So that's step 1 to how to use the back of it. Or what we can do is we'll put this back on. Now you got a little party bus, kind of how we had it set up first. You can bring this little storage down, and then this is where it takes a little bit of thinking. We got to build this to actually have a little storage thing. It's really, really convenient for when you're going down to the campground and you got to have a couple more things in the cart that you can't fit in the seats. This is where it's going to come in handy. So we just fold this down, and we bring this up like this, and then there's these little pegs on the side, and you just have to line it up right to the peg on there, and then just move it down. Same thing on this side, just like that, and then you can set the little storage in here as well. Check this thing out. Boom. Takes 3 minutes to install, and you'll be able to enjoy it for a whole day. So they're completely street ready. They got a 160 amp battery, so that's even longer than the other Evolution carts. So you're definitely not gonna wanna miss it. You're gonna get so much stuff for the price point of it. Totally worth it. Give us a call, 320-351-7533. My name's Ethan, I'd love to help you out.